Now that you've learned a bit more about how to use exercise to protect your back, make sure you know how to strength train your whole body. But don't just do a random workout for the sake of getting tired. Train so that you have the strength and energy to do what you want without pain or injury. All you have to do is click the link below to purchase my Getting Started with Strength home exercise program. And if you have no idea how to strength train, not only will you learn how to train, but you will be able to send me videos and get feedback from me personally, so you know you're doing the exercises with proper form. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you want me to cover a topic, please put it in the comments below. Until next time, my name is Sylvia, reminding you to not just train hard, but to train smart so you feel unstoppable.